ẹ já gbọ́ ohun tí bàbá Tibetan sọ lórí gbogbo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nípa ìjọba Nàìjíríà pàápàá àwọn tí wọ́n sọra wọn di kàbá. Ẹ wo bàbá yìí ṣe sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó ń sọ nípa Buhari, nípa àwọn Boko Haram, kí ló fà á tí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí sì ṣe rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ nípa àwọn Boko Haram àti Fúlàní darandaran. Ẹ wo kí lọ́nà àbáyọ, kí ni bàbá yìí sọ pé ìjọba lè ṣe láti rí i pé àlàáfíà jọba o. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n tú, àwọn àṣírí tán tú. Bàbá yìí tú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó lágbára jáde nínú fọ́nrán yìí. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ, ẹ gbọ́ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́.
Around Oyo State, Buhari had to leave Abuja, to leave Daura, to come down to meet the governor, to go and tell him, you are killing my people. Why? Why are you killing my people? Who is Buhari's people? Who? Do Buhari have a people? And you know Buhari is so mean. Ask Buhari what happened to his first wife. Ask him.
Wow.
Ask Buhari, he's a self-centered human being. Somebody, they will be killing somebody in Benue, Boko, just everywhere. He will just be sitting on news. This has been happening. Do you remember what happened in Benue some time ago? When Buhari was there, when they killed about 300 people. 300. They said they want their land. Who gave them the land? And look at what the Fulanis are saying, that Nigeria belongs to them. Who sold Nigeria to them? Who is Otman Malfodio? Otman Malfodio is just like a normal woman being like you. He's a radical. He's this and that. Yes. They said the way the Hausas are planning their religion is not right. That they have come to do all this one. They were paying some supplement to them when they were giving them lives, everything. But later they turned around. Even they were making noise that we are the owner of Kwara, this and that. What's the headache? Psalm 24. The Almighty God owns the earth. And He did not give receipt to anybody. So if you start killing people, you are blood, you like to soak blood. You see some of them are eating human flesh.
Yes.
So automatically they know the type of trouble we are in. So, and some of them are making love to donkey, to goat, to cow. Are they human beings? So automatically we need to call foreign nation.
Okay.
So that we can call Israel. Israel, the Israelis are the people governing Nigeria for security before. They help us to secure this country before. This type of news or noise has been there before, that they want to change Nigeria to IOC, this and that, this and that. And that was the reason why Babangida, the windfall from the Gulf War, none of it was even returned there. And then they said Babangida has armory, where he was building what, AK-47 and all these things. So maybe he's the one that now bringing to the country now.
Wow.
Then when you look at the one you are talking now,
yes, sir.
You said somebody, they killed 44, 47, 72. Are you not alive when Babangida put all Nigerian brains into Hercules and put them? It's still the same Boko Haram. It's still another method of Boko Haram.
Now,
so automatically, my brother,
yes, sir.
Don't be too worried. Anything give Makpa, Okpe Olikpa. Anything more to Makpa, Okada Olikpa. Anything only for Waroriku. Iba Agba hospital for after 3 years. You know, moto lo madakesi. Ọlọ́run adákẹ́dájọ́. Àwa la máa jà fara wa. And that was why we've been agitating ever since 1990. 1992, 93, 94, 2000. The Lord has been revealing to me state police. How do you expect somebody from Kano to guide the palace of Oni of Ife? How do you expect somebody from Daura,
it's abnormal.
Somebody from Jos to come and guide the Oshema Way of Ondo?
It's abnormal.
It's abnormal. So to take off this abnormality, we need to have a state police, a park police, a street police, a university police, the VIO, the state, everything. So we should police, because security in Nigeria before is too porous. And because they use this one to embezzle during the time of Obasanjo, during the time of Obasanjo, time of Goodluck Jonathan, they said security votes. What are we securing? Look at everything now. Nothing secured. Everything is open. It's open. So live your little life and go. There is no Nigeria in heaven. And these are things, because some people are amongst all these Muslims. When you talk anything ill about Allah, they will cut your neck. But have they seen Allah before? No, that's their mentality.
Have they
How
seen
many?
Allah
Yes, how many credit did you think that Atiku feeling when he was writing JAMB? He didn't have anything. Look at the quota system. These are more or less Boko Haram. And all the people you see that are ministers everything today, they go to Egypt. They go around everywhere to get in the Arab nations and get certificate and bring it to Nigeria and be minister, commissioner, and everything. Look at what they are doing to South Kaduna. They even determine the type of course people from the south can do in their university.
Wow.
Until Tinubu gave them a university. So let us see. The man has filled all the gap in the judiciary. So let's see what goes in, maybe the third year or the fourth year. But now we should clamor for state police, and all landlords too must not sleep. When you are moving out of your house, at least any little weapon you can go with your dagger. Don't carry Bible again. Put dagger. Then take a pear knife. Let it be in your pocket. Then hold little acid in your pocket. Put little acid in a container. Let it be in your pocket. So automatically, if anything happens, you can use your hand to brush you use the acid. Spill it on them. Even in your car, you need to have a gallon of acid. Anything short of that, you are just wasting your time. Yes, because Nigeria is a war zone.
Self-defense.
We need self-defense.
Hey.
And when Jesus Christ was attacked, he said, don't cut the ear of these people. Don't worry. I will go with them. Then return your sword back to where you are. And it was telling us before that anybody who did not have ammunition should go and sell whatever he believes he can sell to buy an ammunition. If gone, look at the foolish idea Buhari sold to the people of Benue and everybody. He said they should bring their
weapons.
Their weapons.
And even the Igbos.
He called everything in because he knows those people, they will resist. But Igbo did not drop their own.
Of course.
Igbo, look at the Operation Snake Python dance, all this and that.
Yeah.
All these are just a game by Burutai and everything the other time. So automatically, let's wait and see. Because when you look at the book of Genesis 37, Genesis 38 and 39, and when you look at Genesis 45, he said, I am Joseph, you sold into slavery. But they said that the one that gave Tinubu right to come and lead, to come and be president, this and that, no problem. Thank God, we thank them. Buhari was Shakari was a president in an entity. Then all the people who has been governing since not these days. And you could, in a meeting in New York, Buhari did not even know that they are recording him. He said, the whole World Bank, this and that, they should take it to the north. Northerners has been bringing food to Lagos since independence. But their life did not change. They should look at the black people down here that, let's give time to God. Let's come together and lift the country up. We were talking about great people, great things happening in China and everything. We are talking about cow here. We are talking about killing. We are talking of Fulani. We are talking to somebody coming to come attack you in the night. We're shame on Nigerians. Thank you, sir.
Sir, thank you very much for these brilliant expositions. Now, we are looking at it with these trending problems in the National Assembly right now. Senator Natasha, a woman in the system, was dearmed of all the democratic necessities that she's supposed to make use of by the Akpabio, Senator Akpabio, who is the Senate president. Now, they are now after her life. At the same time, she shouted, she said it sometimes in the past, about 2-3 weeks ago, that they want to kill her. And this woman looks like a philanthropist who has been working, fighting for her people. And I found out that her people are behind her. And so, with what is happening in the Senate with Senator Akpabio, who harassed her according to what they have earlier said, that is trending now all through. So, what can you say about it and your advice to the House of Assembly itself, sir?
Anywhere you get to in this world,
yes, sir,
and you meet a human being sitting down as a chairperson, there are 3 things you must try to know. There is going to be fight.
Fight?
Yes, greediness.
Greediness.
Then for somebody to blackmail or blacklist, or they will do one. The Lord revealed before that the seat where Akpabio was now,
Occupied, yes.
Occupied 9, Akpabio did not deserve that seat.
Wow.
Then you are now telling me to go and ask God again. Which God? So if you wanted to make me a liar, I would better turn my back on you.
Wow.
When Akpabio was a governor, trace his antecedent. When Akpabio was handling the Osopa deck and all this Niger Delta something, look at what he did to all those women there.
Upper deck.
Upper deck, Osopa deck, and all of them. Look at all his confrontation with women all the time. I don't know how he got married, and I don't know why a woman is still living in his house, or woman likes money. So people will still worship Akpabio. You know what I'm saying? So I don't have anything long or much to say about Natasha or anybody. Even me too, in my little way, I'm a philanthropist.
Yeah.
And I've never even say anybody threatened to, because we should talk to Natasha too.
Okay.
We should talk to her. All that glitters are not gold. You know the type of terrain where you are. Look at the governor that left the place. Kogi did not have good name.
Kogi did not have good name.
So for Natasha to say he wanted to change the name, it's not done. Call a dog a bad name and then they hang. That's what they want to do for her. So it's still just early to make any noise. He's still trying. You know, when you are moving, when a plane started, when you are going to London, you just go up to tell, don't remove your seatbelt until we balance. Natasha by now supposed not to release the seatbelt.
Her seatbelt.
A seatbelt and make it firm so that they can study all Nigerians and know where to go. This happened to Tinubu's wife. The embarrassment happened to Tinubu was himself and Dino Melaya and all these things. So my brother, I don't want to go too far about all these things because it's not godly. It's not a thing. The Holy Spirit wanted to, I didn't say anything about it. But I told you before, Akpabio, the Lord revealed that he's not a good Senate president. So automatically, and what we are going to see is that when a good man come to the throne, the whole city will be what? Will be happy. But now that the bad person is there, they are killing in Ondo, they are killing in Benue, they are killing in Plateau, they are killing. Have you ever seen Akpabio living the place? The other time there was riot. Is that they are fighting, we are eating. From an elderly person.
Imagine.
Does he have any brain? No. So we should just leave the sleeping dog to lie. The judge, the court will do what is needful to them. But if care is not taken, Akpabio will not be able to win the case. So they are going to settle out of court. That's the only problem.
Settle out of court.
Yes,
okay. Thank you, sir. I want your eloquent advice to some of children who abandon their parents.
Abandon their parents?
Their parents. And they are not giving enough care to their parents. When I came into this compound this morning, I saw you with your old man there, who is the overall father.
Yes.
I think Baba is about 103 years now.
He's going to 103, yeah.
Okay. You were taking
He's
care...
103 going to, yes.
You were taking care of him adequately.
Yes.
And so, your advice to some people who have abandoned their mother, their fathers, their parents, parenthood, sir, as a man of God, sir, please throw a little advice to them so that they will be able to hear you.
Sir. Obìnrin tó ń fẹ́ tó ń san dáórì ló ń pè níyàwó.
Okay.
Ọmọ tí wọ́n yọ lára aṣẹ́wó fẹ́ni tó mú délé pé àyàwó rẹ̀ dàgbé ọtí lọ fẹ́ at everything tó ló bímọ sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ ò tí rọmọ bí o. Ó ní àkúkú bí sànjú rádaràda kákú lọ́mọdé kó yẹ ni ó sànjú ká dàgbà ká tọrọ jẹ. How can somebody abandon his father? How can son abandon his home? It's not possible. But it's possible because of Genesis 25:1-5. He said, when Abraham died, before he died, he shared his property amongst the two sons, Isaac and his Esau. No. Then the wife of Jacob and Isaac was the son of Abraham.
Oh yes.
But the first son is what's the name of the first one?
Esau.
No, that was Ismail. Yes. So when he now said it, he said the hand of everybody. Genesis 16. Go and read. Then in Genesis 17, go and read. Genesis 18, go and read. Then he now said in verse 20, chapter 25, he said he divided all those things. And the last one, the 5 sons of Keturah, he gave them their own. Then the one of the bastard children, in Genesis 25, chapter 25, we'll be seeing bastard children. But if I carry my son to school, I carry my son to where he's going to do his sport, do his game, then I carry my son on holidays and everywhere, how can my son forget me? But in a place where your mother has not shown you your original father, then you are now saying somebody abandoned home. I don't know how you frame your question or this and that. When you give me what, look at dog. And it about taja ba fun lounje, to kaja lounje, taja ba moju e. Then kí làwọn ọmọ wọ̀nyí ṣe ní irú ọmọ wo ló bí báwo ló ṣe dé, ta ló bí wọn, níbo ní báwo ló ṣe rí. Torí ìdájà àwọn parent lẹ́ni gbogbo àkọ́bí second born wọ̀nyẹn àlé ní mẹ́ta nínú mẹ́fà. So kí làwọn sọ pé ẹnìkan wà pardon. Ẹ wo àwọn tó wà ń ta yìí àwọn kan wà káàkiri, ẹnìkan wà lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta ìtọ́nà ọjà bóyá Natasha àbí kíní kan ọkùnrin mẹ́fà ó ti bímọ fọkùnrin mẹ́fà ṣe ti yẹ kì í ṣe Natasha bíbí o bóyá ti sẹ́ni tàbí kíní ìyẹn wà ní a àti pẹ́ ó ti bímọ fún ọkùnrin mẹ́fà. Kí la fẹ́ sọ láwọn arúgbó mi kan pàtó ti bímọ fún yàn mẹ́fà méje tó ń wo lówó káàkiri ní 1960 1970 19 wọ́n ti gbẹ̀yìn wọn ò dáa ṣe ti yẹ yín sí.
Yes, sir.
So ẹni tó bá lọ́mọ tó mọ bàbá tó mọ ìyá ẹ̀ ọmọ ò lè sábì bàbá ẹ̀.
ọ̀rọ̀ náà lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu wòlíì Tibetan yìí o, ẹ ti gbọ́ bọ́n ṣe yànnà náà gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣé bó ṣe rí náà nìyẹn. Kí lè ròyìn ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn kàbá tó wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà, báwo ló ṣe máa jẹ́. Ẹ ti gbóhùn lẹ́nu bàbá yìí o. Kí lè ròyìn ẹ drop comment yín, kí lọ́nà àbáyọ lórí gbogbo làásìgbò tó bá orílẹ̀-èdè yìí. Kí lè ròyìn ẹ drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching. Náà lọ fún ìpolówó ọjà pé WhatsApp number page yìí.
tẹ́ ẹ bá lè rí àmì ṣe gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín, iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ, ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà, ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì, arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì. Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ́ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, lórí ọmọ ni, lórí iṣẹ́ ni, níbi gbogbo ni, bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le, ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa. Kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan? Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ òun náà ni +234 70 25 47 5427 +234 70 25 47 5427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu.